Good morning, I'm Dr. Huang. Today, I'm going to introduce a very important and very common experimental technique, titration. By definition, titration is an experimental procedure used to determine the molarity of an unknown solution by using a standard solution. Sometimes, the standard solution is also called a titrant. The unknown solution is also called a titrate. The molarity of the standard solution is known. Titration is also called volumetric analysis because when we calculate the molarity of the unknown solution, we need to use the volume of the standard solution. That's why it's called volumetric analysis. There are different types of volumetric analysis. One of the most common ones is acid-base titration. The instrumentation of titration is very simple. It does not require complex instrumentation. This is what we need to do the simplest titration. We need a burette, which will hold the standard solution. We need an Erlenmeyer flask to hold the unknown solution. We need a transfer pipette to transfer the unknown solution into the Erlenmeyer flask. From the transfer pipette, we can know the volume of the unknown solution. From the burette, we can know the volume of the standard solution we add to the unknown solution. Obviously, we need a stand to hold the burette. If you perform an acid-base titration, you may need an acid-base indicator to add to the Erlenmeyer flask. When the reaction reaches the end or the equivalence point, the color of the solution will change. From the color change, you will know the reaction is over or the titration is done.